Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix missing code 0xc00d5212 on Windows 10. Go to search bar and click on store. After that, in the search bar, select apps and click on search bar and search for AV1 video extension. So click on it and download this extension. You need to install it. In the next step, go to search bar, type CMD. From the search result, right click here and select run as administrator. Select S. Now type these commands carefully. Type prompt and hit enter. Then type sfc slash scan file equal to c colon slash windows slash system32 slash iframe dot dll. Type these commands carefully and after that hit enter. Now type sfc slash verify file equal to c colon slash windows slash system32 slash iframe dot dll. Then type ASSOC and hit enter. That's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.